back, mates. Crypto leverage trading. Hope everybody's doing well this New Year's Day. We are in our portfolios right now from 2021. Obviously, December 31st ended last night at midnight. Boom. Okay, those portfolios now we focus on between now and January 5th, placing assets in our 2022 portfolios. And I want to talk about one portfolio right now because I think it's kind of interesting to see how the market has shifted. We are looking at the NFT portfolio right now, mates. Okay, this NFT portfolio's inception for the Crypto Lever Trading Group was August 1st. So remember, everything that happened in these assets and these tokens prior to August 1st isn't calculated or factored, right? We set this portfolio beginning in August, understanding and recognizing the momentum of growth that was happening. Personally, I saw most of this because of relationships within the Solana project, okay? And the NFT gaming aspect on the Solana platform, as well as the engine platform of developers and people that I know as well on various projects in the NFT space, okay? Most of those people are have transitioned from the collectible side of those projects to now gaming. Gaming is going to be huge in 2022, okay? Which is why when we release the new updated NFT portfolio on January 5th, okay, there's going to be a rebalancing based on the projects that are coming and the projects that are currently existing based on the knowledge and network of individuals that I know in that space. Okay, so what we looked at from August here was a 422%. That's as of today because this hasn't been calculated, but I think it was 416 at midnight last night. 416.28. 416.28% higher from entry to last night when the ball dropped in New York. If it dropped, I'm assuming it dropped. And so we can take a look here and we lower this up a little bit. You can kind of see this is the year to date, okay, trajectory of this particular tracker portfolio for you. And a lot of people ask me, what does that mean? This means that these are the NFTs that you should be considering accumulating. Doesn't mean you have to accumulate the whole market basket. You certainly can if you want. But you can look and have and track and understand someone else is doing the due diligence and the work, right? Like someone else is researching this stuff, right? Okay, if you're looking at it from same as your mutual funds, when you open up Fidelity or you open up Schwab or you open up whoever, you've got a net asset value and you've got your rate of return on your mutual fund based on the market baskets of stocks and such that are in it. It works the same way, okay? But it's a good area for you to take a look at, okay, what's in this market basket? And then to dial in maybe 1, 2, or 3 that you want to put in your spot basket yourself. Maybe on Coinbase, maybe on Binance, depending on where you can trade a lot of these assets. Okay, so we started here in August, okay? And you can see the growth here of this portfolio, okay, with $18,000 into it, okay, at its peak, okay, in November was the peak, around 130,000 range, okay, and then obviously we know what's happened right around Thanksgiving, really, into December. We've gotten a little bit of burst and we still come down low. This is why it's very interesting in January right now to be accumulating some of these NFTs at these low-level RSI levels on these dump days. This is why. Because you got to remember most of them were up here and now they're much, much lower now. Now, some people would say, oh, well, it's a bear market. They're bearish. Altcoins are bearish. No, it's just basically a rebalancing at the end of the year. People have made such massive gains in NFTs, okay? They took profits at the end of the year. They could hop right back in them here in the next few days. That's something that we're going to keep an eye on. But this is what shows you here the growth of just from August to the end of the year, just in this niche. And we have 4 market baskets, mates.